Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys a new update. This update will be ending today. So if you are seeing this video now, just note that this is for March 2023, March 30th 2023. That's the day the airdrop is ending, and it's already been listed on many exchanges. So before we dive in, just know the apps that you'll be needing for this crypto is and Token Pocket and Telegram. And once you use the link which will be in the description below to sign up, it will immediately refer you to Telegram. The app, it will be like a bot like this. Then you have to click on start to start up. But before we dive deep in, if you are new to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, smash the bell icon to get notified whenever I post more updates, and like the video you're watching. Also feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section and join my group. Both my WhatsApp group and my Telegram group, both will be in the description below. So with that said, heading over back to the Telegram channel, you click on start and it brings a window like this. Then you have to join their channel. Click on it, join, then click on join advertiser channel, join. You make sure you join everything they say you should join. As you can see, I can't join this because it's already full. Join, and I can join. You see, then input your username, your own username. My username for this is this is my username. It require you to click on next, and then it will ask you to retweet their tweet on Twitter, which is this. Or just click on share, copy link, head back and paste it. Finally, it will tell you to send in your wallet address. So it only allows Trust Wallet, MetaMask and Token Pocket, but I'll advise you to use Token Pocket as you'll be able to see the price, because the price hasn't been updated on Trust Wallet. Let me show you guys the one I've withdrawn already. This is it. Showing you guys the one I've withdrawn already, the AIT. This is it. The price isn't yet available on Trust Wallet, but on Token Pocket you'll be able to see the price. All you gotta do is download Token Pocket, and then you have to create an account. If you haven't, then make sure you created HD wallet, which will be this. Make sure you create a HD wallet account. Click on it, input your own name and your details. And you click on create account. I got it, and select all this. Then to show your recovery phrase, which you have to copy. With the recovery phrase, a window like this will pop out. Make sure you select every crypto. These are crypto chains, so make sure you select every one of them, as you'll be needing them later on in this video and then later on in the future, I think so. So having done that, click on confirm, wait for it to select. As you can see, let it generate and click on confirm again, and boom, we are done. All you have to do next is click on this icon. Click on this icon over here, click on it. To open up a window, then you have to select, since they said here that sorry about that, I have to head back. Sorry, let's head back to the bot. Is BIP20, that means it should be in Binance Smart Chain. So all I have to do is search for head back to their handle, the Telegram channel, copy the contract address. I'll leave all links in the description below. Copy the contract, head back to my wallet, then click on this icon here. Click on this icon here. Click on it, and then what you gotta do is just click anywhere around this box. Click anywhere around the box, and boom, we are done. Then you have to click on this next icon. Make sure you're following my steps. Click on this next icon here and click on custom tokens. Click on add token, then paste in the contract and click on symbol. It will immediately appear by itself. Then click on confirm. And with that done, it's successful. Head back and refresh the page. You should see your AIT. I got it. Then click on receive, copy address, click on confirm, head back. Sorry, seems like it's exited, so just gonna have to go back. Okay, paste in your address and boom, just click on withdraw, and in no time you'll be seeing your withdrawed AIT. And to show you that this crypto is very legit, it is already listed on CoinMarketCap. Let's open up CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, sorry, and even CoinMarketCap here. Search for AIT. As you can see, it's already here, it's already trending. Search for AIT. One AIT will give you this amount of USDT. So let's search the airdrop will be giving out 100,000 AIT. It's estimated at $100. So let's calculate it. 100,000 AIT. It is $146. So don't miss this, guys. It is definitely ending today, and if you miss it, you have missed out on a lot of huge opportunities to make money online. But with that said, let's head back to our wallet and refresh our page to check if we have received our balance. Let's keep refreshing, and boom, guys, it just appeared $146 worth of AIT. And after the launch, which will be soon, I don't know when, but whenever it is, I will leave it in the description below. It will not be tradable, by which you can swap, you can sell, and you can do a lot of things with it as you want. And for more updates on crypto and how to make money online, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, like the video you're watching, and share it to your friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching.